Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your team member discount to the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you work at Target and you want to go ahead and get your team member discounts. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, click on My Target on the bottom right-hand corner. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down and then click on Profile, View and Manage Personal Details. So on this page here, you have some blurry information, but on the top hand side, click on Team Member Discount and click on Add. So this is where you can enter your team member discount number and then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your team member discount to the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.